Good morning, students. Today we'll start chapter number 3, the lady with the lamp. Okay, so here is the lady, but where is the lamp? So we'll see what is lamp here, why she is called the lady with the lamp, who is she, and so let's first start our chapter. In 1854, a war broke out in Crimea. Okay, so more than 150 years ago. Okay, here we are now in 2020, so more than 150 years ago a war started in Crimea. Okay, on the shores of Black Sea. So let me show you where is Black Sea. Here you can see that it is our, here you can see it is our India. Here it is my position here in blue, and here you can see when you will go to here it will be Pakistan, Afghanistan, then you will be go to Iran, then here it is Black Sea. Okay students, here it is Mediterranean Sea, famous Mediterranean Sea, and then here it is Black Sea. Okay, so war started in the source means in coastal areas of Black Sea. It was started between Turkey, France, Britain, okay, England. So you can see that which countries surround the Black Sea. Here it is Russia. Okay, fight was between Russia, Ukraine, here Romania, Bulgaria. Here you can see that Greece is also here. Okay, and Turkey, Georgia. So students, here it is also Crimea is also here. Okay, Crimea is between Ukraine and Russia. Here you can see that here it is Crimea. Okay, somewhere here it is Crimea. So war started here in 1854. Many soldiers were injured in the battle. Okay, and were sent to the military hospital in Turkey. We have seen where is Turkey. Turkey is in coastal areas of Black Sea. Here it is Turkey. Okay, Turkey. So many soldiers were sent to Turkey. There were no facilities in the hospital. No facility. The rooms were poorly ventilated. Ventilated means no air was coming. Okay, poorly ventilated means no air was coming, and ventilator means from where air comes. Okay, so the wall were covered with dirt. Okay, wall was very dirty. The drains were choked. Okay, the drains were not passing from houses, from behind your house. In behind your house there is one drain. Okay, from where all the dirty things go out, but that was not passing, so it was choked and gave out a foul stench. Okay, because drain was choked, so it was all foul stench. Foul stench means very dirty smell. Here you can see that ventilated means allowing fresh air, choked means it was blocked, stench means a bad smell. Okay, a bad smell was coming. And insects were swarmed about in the rooms. Okay, all the insects, सब कीड़े वहाँ भरे हुए थे, क्योंकि वहाँ से नाली जो है वहाँ से गंदा पानी पास नहीं हो रहा था. ओके, ये देखो ड्रेन्स मीन्स नाली. ओके, यहाँ से पास नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि चोक्ड हो गया था. इट वॉज ब्लॉक्ड. So the wounded soldiers did not get proper food and medicine. Okay students, many of the soldiers died due to neglect. Okay, nobody cared for those soldiers. Okay, and many died because of lack of food, lack of medicine, proper care. Nobody cared for them. Then Florence Nightingale with a group of 35 other nurses came to this hospital. Okay, then Florence Nightingale arrived there. She saw that hospital was in fact a hell. Okay, hospital was like a hell. Hell means एक नर्क के जैसे था वो. But she neither lost heart nor accepted defeat. Okay, but she did not lose heart. Okay, means she was confident that she will care for them. Florence Nightingale took upon herself. Okay, took upon herself means accepted the duty, the task of ensuring that each patient recovered, received what he needed. Okay, she gave them medicine, comforted them, and instilled courage in them. Okay, she gave courage to them. She and the other nurses cleaned the floors. Okay, she cleaned the floors, collected money from the people to buy clothes and medicine, and saw it to that every patient was cared for. Okay, she cared for every patient. She worked all the 20 hours. She worked all the 20 hours, and at night she walked to the wards carrying a lamp. Okay, so at night she walked in the wards. Okay, in the rooms she walked to carry by carrying lamps to see if all was well with her patients. Okay, her very presence kindled hope in patients. Okay, her patients gave or started hope in the patient. She came to be fondly called the lady with the lamps. I hope you have understood now why she was called the lady with the lamp, because she carried lamp with her to look for patient. Okay, so Florence Nightingale was, let's see her background. She came from where? Okay, we have seen that how she cared for, but now we'll see from where she came. She was born in where she was born, about her parents, about her childhood. Let's see. So Florence Nightingale was born in rich family. Okay, and could have led a life of luxury. मीन्स लग्जरी मीन्स स्टूडेंट महंगे महंगे चीज खरीद सकती थी, चाहे तो वो आराम से रह सकती थी. ओके, but she dedicated her entire life to the nursing profession. Okay, but she became nurse. Even as a girl, she was very sensitive to the suffering of the others. Okay, when she was a child, she cared for other people. Once her sister tore a doll into pieces. Okay, little Florence burst into tears. Okay, she started crying. She stitched the torn pieces. Torn means जो उसने तोड़ दिया था, उसके सिस्टर ने जो तोड़ दिया था उसको पीसेस में, उसको उसने क्या क्या स्टिच किया. ओके, जैसे कि वो कोई पेशेंट हो. When her dog in her house was injured, cleaned and dressed, उसको उसने क्लीन किया, उसके इंजरी को क्लीन किया, उसमें ड्रेसिंग किया. ड्रेसिंग मीन्स होता है स्टूडेंट पट्टी लगाना. ओके, when suppose you are injured, okay, and you go to hospital, you say to doctor to get it dressed, means पट्टी लगाना, ड्रेस लगाना उसके ऊपर, the wound, and looked after it till it got well. When Florence was 17, she declared that she wanted to become nurse. Okay, so students, she said to her parents that I want to become nurse. Her parents were not happy to hear this, but Florence had already made up her mind. She had decided that I will become nurse. She entered Salisbury Hospital as a nurse. Okay, she went to Salisbury Hospital as a nurse and worked for how many years? 8 years. In 1951, in Germany, okay, a priest called Theodor Fleidner founded a hospital. Okay, all the France, Britain, all are here. You can see that, students. Here we have beloved India. Then you'll go here Pakistan, Afghanistan. Here you can see Red Sea. Here Black Sea. Here you can see that here it is Germany. Okay, here it is Germany, France, Spain. Where is Britain? Britain is also here. Here you can see that it is called Britain or England. So she was born here. Okay, she was born in England. Here, from there she went to where? In Black Sea. Where is Black Sea? It's not working. Okay, let's see that story. So, as a nurse and worked for in Germany, a priest called Theodor Fleidner founded a hospital. He and his wife trained girls to become nurses. Florence Nightingale also visited the hospital and learned a great deal about nursing. Okay, the experience she gained there laid the foundation for work she did later. Okay, so from there she became nurse. After 3 years, Florence came to London. Where is London? London is in Britain or England. She worked as the superintendent of hospital in Henley Street in London. It was a hospital meant to serve poor women patients. She brought about several changes to improve the condition there. Her tireless and devoted care saved even the patients who were given up by the doctors. Okay, many doctors said that this patient will not survive, but she done tireless work. Okay, बिना थके हारे उसने इतना काम किया कि कुछ डॉक्टर्स ने कह दिया था कि पेशेंट नहीं बचेंगे, फिर भी उसने उनको सेव किया. पेशेंट वर्शिप्ड फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल. ओके, उसकी पूजा करते थे पेशेंट. एंड सेड दैट द हॉस्पिटल हैड बिकम अ होली प्लेस विथ हर प्रेजेंस. एक वो होली प्लेस बन गया था क्योंकि वो इतना काम करती थी. जहाँ भी आप काम करोगे स्टूडेंट, जहाँ भी आप पूरे मन से काम करोगे, वो प्लेस आपका होली प्लेस बन जाता है. जैसे कि आपका स्टडी रूम आपके स्टडी रूम में आप अगर मूवी नहीं देखोगे, फालतू चीज़ें नहीं करोगे, तो वो प्लेस एक होली प्लेस बन जाता है. वो काम का प्लेस एक होली प्लेस बन जाता है. सो वंस फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल फेल इल बट शी डिड नॉट रेस्ट. ओके, वंस शी फेल इल बट शी डिड नॉट रेस्ट. शी वॉज बेड रिडन फॉर मंथ. बेड रिडन मीन्स उसको बेड में चली गई थी. वो इतना तबीयत खराब हो गया था, बिस्तर पकड़ लिया था. द डॉक्टर्स वार्नड हर दैट शी वुड बी एन invalid for her life if she did not have rest. Okay, doctor said you have to rest. So what Florence Nightingale said, work is rest for me. Okay, बोली काम ही मेरे लिए आराम है. Okay, काम ही आराम है मेरे लिए, आराम ही काम नहीं है. She said मैं आराम का काम नहीं करूंगी, काम ही मेरे लिए आराम है. ठीक है, वैन सी मतलब उसको मजा आता था काम करने में, मतलब काम ही आराम है, मतलब क्या मजा आता था. सी वाज वेल अगेन. सी रिटर्न टू इंग्लैंड एंड ओपन द नाइटिंगेल स्कूल फॉर नर्सेस. ओके, टू ट्रेन अदर वुमेन्स टू बिकम नर्स. फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल लिव्ड टू द राइप ओल्ड एज ऑफ 90. ओके, 90 ईयर्स तक जी वो, 90. ओके, शी ब्रॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट एंड ऑनर टू द नर्सिंग प्रोफेशन. ओके, उसके काम से नर्सिंग प्रोफेशन, जो नर्सिंग का काम था, उसको इतनी रिस्पेक्ट मिला कि नर्स को आज बहुत ग्रेट समझा जाता है. नर्सिंग इज नाउ कंसिडर्ड अ नोबल प्रोफेशन. ओके, ग्रेट प्रोफेशन. द लैम्प इज नाउ अ यूनिवर्सल सिंबल फॉर नर्सिंग. व्हाट इज द यूनिवर्सल सिंबल फॉर नर्सिंग? दैट इज लैम्प. ओके, व्हेन नर्सेस एंटर द प्रोफेशन आफ्टर देयर ट्रेनिंग दे टेक एन ओथ. ओके, वो एक ओथ लेते हैं, एक प्रण लेते हैं. नेम द नाइटिंगेल ओथ. उसको बोलते हैं नाइटिंगेल ओथ, विच बाइंड देम टू रेंडर सर्विस टू पेशेंट. ओके, वो उनको ये बोलता है कि आप अच्छे से, पूरा सिंसियर, मतलब अच्छे से आप क्या करेंगे, पेशेंट का सर्विस देंगे. यू विल गिव सर्विस टू द पेशेंट प्रॉपरली. वो उनको ओथ दिलाया जाता है. सो वी हैव सीन बेड रिडन मीन्स सिक ऑन बेड, इनवैलिड मीन्स नॉट वेल, टेरबलेस मतलब उतना काम किया कि वो पेशेंट को अच्छा कर दी. तो विदाउट रेस्ट. नोबल मीन्स गुड प्रोफेशन. ओथ मीन्स क्या होता है, प्रॉमिस करना. वार्ड मीन्स वही रूम होता है, वार्ड नंबर 1, वार्ड नंबर 2, लाइक यू मे हैव सीन इन हॉस्पिटल. किंडल्ड मीन्स व्हाट, उसने वहाँ क्या किया था, किंडल्ड किया था, जनरेट किया था लॉट्स ऑफ होप. ओके, क्रिएट किया था. जेस्ट मीन्स इंथुजियाज्म, बहुत इंथुजियाज्म से काम किया था. लग्जरी मीन्स वो लग्जरी लाइफ जी सकती थी, मतलब आराम की लाइफ जी सकती थी. वो सेंसिटिव थी बहुत, इसीलिए उसने डॉग और डॉल का केयर किया था. रेंडर मीन्स सर्विस देना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रू, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ट्रू और फॉल्स, इट इज वेरी इजी, एंड चूज द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क. ओके, नाउ I have explained you here. I have provided you here answer of these questions. Who was Florence Nightingale? So she was a nurse. Okay, here you can see I have given all the answers. Question number 3 answer you will find it page number 79. There was no facility. Okay, यहाँ से लेके देखो, there was no facility से लेकर के swarmed about in the rooms. From here you will find the answer of third question, and fifth question answer you will find here students here, when nurses से लेकर के to the patient तक. Okay students, see you in next video. Don't do this, you can skip third question. Okay students, see you in next video.